Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install macOS Sequoia in your laptop or desktop. It's simple process. You can very easily install macOS Sequoia beta version. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start. First of all, you need to open here system setting and then software update. If your beta version is disabled, you need to enable this one because of macOS Sequoia comes from first of all developer beta version and afterwards they are released proper way. So this is a beta version and just complete this process and update your macOS Sequoia. I already update this process, so just I start the download and so look at this, my laptop is a restart and then again process is happening here, so you can very easily understand. Now look at this, 11 minutes are remaining. So look at this, update 100% successfully done. I just add my password and let's see. Look at this. Now I just start the Mac recording and let's see. After installation macOS Sequoia, I just simply open here Note and here they are introducing speech related option, means recording audio. If I click here and look at this here, separate option is displaying here. Even the option is not activated, if you click there you need to record. Look at this, I am recording here speech voice to my current note or any other classes, so you can use this feature. If so, look at this, the transcript is also automatically coming here. That is the beauty of latest update iOS. Now next point come here, just simply say here 134 plus 67 equal to, automatically answer is a display here. It's really interesting, like this, minus 23 equal to, answer is display here. So this is a really interesting features, so you can update your macOS Sequoia and enjoy some features. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.